for inviting the institute. We were fortunate that we have one dynamic leadership at our institute, that is our director, and since he was one of the panel chairs in DRDO, so at NIT Kurukshetra we are already aware of the research boards and the activities that the DRDO is carrying out. And as mentioned by other colleagues from NIT, the situation is changing at NITs. Earlier we were primarily the undergraduate institutes, although we were running postgraduate programs. And now the situation is changing since last 5 years, as one of the speakers said, because of the Kakotkar committee and others. At NIT Kurukshetra we have 5 engineering departments, 3 science departments, 1 humanities, and 2 other departments, business management and computer applications. We encourage our faculty research extensively, and at present the faculty have got projects from various agencies such as NBHM, Ministry of Information Technology, DT, CSIR, DST, DAE, etc. and also from DRDO. We started 4 schools in last 1 year. One is the School on Renewable Energy. Second is School of Nanotechnology and Materials. Third is School of Biomedical Engineering. And fourth is School of VLSI Design and Embedded Systems. In order to further carry out the research activities, we have started dedicated industrial cell and innovation club in the institute from this year. Although that does not mean that there was no such activity. Such activities are there since many years through different programs of Government of India. In our institute, we have one project proposal screening committee, and for every high value project, the project should not be rejected by the funding agency, and therefore the project is thoroughly screened and then only forwarded to the funding agency. For small amount projects, the projects are directly forwarded to the funding agency. We have highly dedicated faculty working in many areas, and as material science has emerged as a very active area of research, we do have faculty working in this area, in nanomaterials, nanotechnology, carbon nanotubes, and also in nuclear research, then solar cells, fuel cells, advanced sensors, gas sensors, then remote sensing applications, welding research. Apart from this, we have faculty who are doing projects, have got projects in the area of cyber security and cyber attacks, natural language processing, and advanced computer networks and distributed computing. And I totally agree with the other speakers that we require a joint effort from the institute side, and the details about the facilities, etc., they should be made available on the institute websites, and also the different areas in which the faculty are working, so that whenever some agencies such as the DRDO, they want to organize some activity or some program such as this, they have some knowledge, background knowledge about the institutes. This is